I'm marinating a peanuts food for tomorrow to go into the slow cooker. It's cut up chicken. I put extra virgin olive oil, some of the homemade chicken broth that I made, parsley flakes, rosemary, ginger, turmeric, and I put a little bit of cinnamon in there. And it'll marinate overnight, and I'll put everything into the crock pot tomorrow. Broccoli, carrots, blueberries, some cranberries, peas, and probably some brown rice. I put the chicken that I marinated last night into the crock pot. I threw in 1 tablespoon of cooking coconut oil, the unrefined. So now I'll let this cook until the chicken is cooked, and then I'll add the egg that I'm boiling, some brown rice, carrots, blueberries, peas, cranberries. Well, this is what I'm adding into Peanuts meal that I have in the crock pot with the chicken. All the spices are in there. I added a tablespoon of unrefined coconut oil and about a half a cup of water. That a quarter of a cup of cooked brown rice, half a cup of carrots, a half a cup of green peas, and about a cup of broccoli, and about a cup of blueberries and some cranberries. Now I added all the ingredients. I put another half a cup of water, and I'll cook this for about 2 hours on high. And then I'll add the cooked egg last. And that's it, and this will be good for probably about a week. Well, the food is done. I added about a tablespoon of this turkey tail powder and about a teaspoon of Romano cheese. And I'm going to blend everything together and put them in these containers. I should have probably about 2 containers worth. I managed to make 2 3-cup containers. As you can see, everything is mixed. I did put the cheese, the turkey tail powder already in there. So now I just add his milk thistle as needed, but everything is blended. So I know he's getting, everything, the broccoli, the carrots, the peas, the rice, the chicken, the blueberries and cranberries. And this will last me about a week. I'll put one in the freezer, and I'll probably be making the steak tomorrow as well.